This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring your gear and settings are ready. Equip the target acquisition perk and assign the lock button where your thumb rests. Once in the mission, move so Titans remain between 30 and 50 meters because distance affects lock speed and stability. Make sure camera sensitivity is tuned. Lower yaw for steadier locks, higher for quick requisition. Now press the assigned lock button briefly to obtain a stable lock, then prepare your follow-up maneuver without delay. Once you have a lock, press the button and immediately transition into your attack sequence. You should use short vertical or lateral bursts to keep the lock when Titans turn or when debris appears, because movement stabilizes aim and preserves the lock. If you need to switch targets, tap the lock again quickly instead of holding. Then commit to chaining slashes, spear damage, or a precision hookshot to weak points. This is how you convert a lock into a kill efficiently. To finish, confirm the Titan is down and scan for nearby threats before re-engaging, because tunnel vision gets you grabbed. If a lock breaks, don't panic. Back off to about 30-50 meters and re-establish line of sight, then lock again. This reliably resets target acquisition. Make small predictive strafes to lead turning Titans and maintain locks. Troubleshooting tip: if locks fail repeatedly, lower camera sensitivity slightly and reassign the lock button to a more ergonomic key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.